Welcome to the AARDY.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and this is a short video to go along with our blog article, What is Trip Interruption Insurance? Well, trip interruption insurance is included in all travel cancellation plans. Trip interruption coverage allows the traveller to return home early or interrupt a portion of the trip for a specific covered reason. Now, no one wants to cut their trip short, but sometimes life has other plans. Trip interruption insurance functions very similarly to trip cancellation benefits, but occurs after you've started your trip. They both provide financial protection. Now, some trip interruption insurance will reimburse up to 100% of your unused prepaid, non-refundable trip costs. Other travel interruption insurance reimburses up to 150% of your trip costs. As always, there are policy exclusions, and these differ by policy. But in general, all travel insurance plans have exclusions that will limit the reasons to interrupt your trip. So some common exclusions are pre-existing medical conditions, injury caused by an excluded activity such as bungee jumping, skydiving, hang gliding, or hot air ballooning, normal childbirth, mental or nervous conditions. Now, this is not an exhaustive list, so be sure to check the details in your travel insurance plan. In addition to exclusions, some conditions must meet the policy requirements for travel interruption, like you and your travelling companion must be medically fit to travel on the date you purchase the travel insurance policy. You or your travelling companion must have been approved for the time off on or before the effective date of the travel insurance policy. This is for cancel for work reasons. Or you must ensure 100% of all prepaid, non-refundable trip costs for the time-sensitive benefits to apply. In terms of cost, all comprehensive travel insurance plans include trip interruption as part of the trip cost protection. Well, at AARDY.com, we can't recommend travel insurance enough. Whether you're travelling just a few hundred miles to see family, travelling on a business trip, or travelling to the other side of the world, travel insurance should be considered an essential part of your holiday packing. Now, the hope is that you won't have to use your travel insurance and that you'll have a fun and enjoyable trip. It'll take you no more than 2 minutes to run a quote, and you'll be able to compare the products, the plans, the prices, and the all-important coverage levels so that you can make the right buying decision for your trip. We recommend that you should travel with at least $100,000 of medical sickness cover. We also recommend that you should have at least $100,000 of medical evacuation cover as well. And on the screen in front of you, you'll see just how quick and easy it is to run a quote with AARDY.com. Well, wherever you're going, whatever you're doing, do keep safe and remember to travel with travel insurance, and do come back and see us again soon. Take care.